Sunny here. Today I'm going to show you how to play the guitar solo to the song called Hungry by White Lion. I cover the rhythm part and the intro in video lessons that I did about 8 years ago, maybe longer, I don't remember. But you can search my channel and find those videos. But I did not cover the guitar solo at the time, so I wanted to finish the song to just cover the guitar solo. So today I'm using my LG Ibanez LG 652 Prestige, made in Japan, because we need the whammy bar. And make sure you have enough distortion to do the harmonics and the dive on the notes. So that's the important thing. Give a little delay and a little reverb's going to help when you do the dive, like stuff like that. And the song is in E minor. The solo is in E minor. And I'm tuned to standard 440. So let's get started. Okay, right before the solo, there's two power chords: a B power chord. Basically, it's a B power chord in the second position, and a C power chord in the third position. And then after that, you get this note. So that's what I'm doing is I do the 14th fret on the G string and 15th fret on the B string. You play those two notes, and after you play those two notes, you want to bend up the 14th fret on the G string up while still holding on to the 15th fret on the B string. So basically like that. And after you play that, you play the harmonic on the 14th fret on the G string. So this is a 14th fret without the harmonic. What you want to do, you want to find a harmonic, because it's different sounding, depends on where you hit pinch harmonic on the string and the position. So you want it somewhere close to the neck pickup. I would say about right here on this guitar. Your guitar might be different. You pinch harmonic on it, it's going to get that. You can also do it on the 9th fret too on the G string. So it's about the same. In the Ritz live video, Vito Bratta did not do the harmonic here. He just played the 14th fret on the G string. But on the record, you do the 14th fret. You dive down, and you hit the natural harmonic on the 9th fret. Basically, on the wire between 9th and 10th fret, there's a wire right there. You put your finger over it slightly. Play that note, you lift your hands up. You get that. So basically, once you hit that harmonic, you will play this. So there's a lot of tapping here. After you do the harmonic on the 9th fret, you hammer on the 7th fret on the G string. After you hammer on the 7th fret, you will hit the 12th fret on the tabbing. Pull off the 7th fret and then hammer on the 9th fret. One more time. Next part. On the B string, you will tab on the 12th fret on the B string, pull off on the 7th fret, hammer on the 8th and 10th, tab on the 12 again on the B string, pull off on 10, pull off on 8, pull off on 7, hammer on the 8, pull off on 7. So far with this. Next part, you hammer on to the 9th fret with your ring finger on your left hand. Tab on the 12th. Pull off a 9. Pull off 7. hammer on the ninth, pull off on 7. That part right there goes like this. So far we have this. You do the same pattern on the D string this time. Hammer on the 9th fret, tab on the 12th, pull off on 9 and pull on the 7. And that's it on the D string. And then you use your pinky, you hammer on the 10th fret on the A string, a tab on the 12th fret, pull off on 10. And do that again, 12 to 12, pull off on 10. And pull off on 7. Pull off open. Hammer on the 5th fret, hammer on the 7th fret, slide down the 5th fret, and pull down just a little bit in the vibrato. So the whole thing starts from the 9th fret harmonic. Come on, Giddy. Get down. Come on, baby girl. Sorry about that. Next part. So you play the 17th fret on the B string, tab it, and pull off on 12th fret, hammer on the 15th fret, and then tab on 17th fret again, pull off on 15th fret. One more time. So. And the next part, you got to pull off on 12th fret, hammer back on 15th fret, tab on the 17th fret, and pull off on 15th fret. So the whole thing goes like this slowly. One more time. And the next part, you do that twice. You hit tab on the 17th fret, pull off on 12, hammer on the 15th fret. You do that twice. So far we have this. And the next part. So basically you tab on the 17th fret, pull off on 12th fret, hammer on the 15th fret, tab on the 17th fret, pull off on the 14th fret, pull off on 12, hammer on the 14th fret, pull off 12, and then you hammer on the using pinky on the 15th fret on the B string, tab on the 17th fret on the B string, pull off 15, pull off 14, pull off 12. Same pattern on the G string, hammer on the 15th fret, tab on the 17, pull off 15, pull off 14, pull off 12, hammer on the 14th fret. Now get down. Dally. Girl. Oh, kitty girl wants some love. Anyway, you gotta get down, baby girl. Come on. Alright, so far we have the second lick. Come on, baby girl. It goes like this. Alright, the whole thing slowly. So far we have this. You hit the second fret on the G string, harmonic between the second and third fret on the wire. You want to get that sound? What I usually do is I use my my middle finger where the joint is right there. The little, that's usually why I touch the string and then I plug it and pinch harmonic it. Again, it's like on my guitar, the harmonic I hit a pick about right around this area right here. Again, you got to play around your pick to see, because up and down the string right this area, this is gonna sound different. But it's right about right here, and my finger is, like I said, between second and third fret. And as soon as you hit that note, you let it go, and then you dive bomb it. And once you do that, you do 3 more harmonics next time. You do the next harmonics between 3 and 4 fret on the B string. So you do that 3 times. The last time you dive down further, and then you do the 3rd fret on the G string, harmonic between 3rd fret and the 4th fret. You dive down, and after that you release the bar. You bend the 4th fret on the G string. Basically, you go from 4th fret to 6th fret. You bend up. Basically, and after you play that, you hold it while you bend up. You pick twice, and then bend up again a little more. And release back down to just a little bit. You're still holding the bend. So that's what happened there. So let me do the harmonic one more time. Next one, you play the 7th fret on the G string, harmonic, and then you will mute the string. You do the hammer on on the low E string from 3 to 5 to 7, then 3, 5, 7 on the A, and then 4, 5, 7 on the D, 4, 5, 7 on the G. You kind of mute it, and then once you hit the first note, and you just hammer on the rest of it. Do the same thing again on the A position. 5, 7, 9 on the low E, 5, 7, 9 on the A, 6, 7, 9 on the D, and then 6 and 7 on the G string. Next part, you move up here. We play the 16th fret on the G, 17th fret on the B, 17th fret on the high E string, and then 16th fret on the high E string. And then you play 16th fret on the G string, pull off on 14th fret. Do the bar twice, up, down, up, down, up. Slide down to 12th fret, do it 2 more times. And then the harmonic this time is on right between. It's on the 3rd fret, but it's right between the fret, not on the wire, but between the fret. Just dive down. So that's the entire solo. Let me play from the beginning to the end for you. whole solo and hope you enjoyed it.